Thanks for clicking on this review. Hope you like it. Today we are looking at the Aukey 7-port USB hub with 3 charging ports. So here it is. So it is a quite small device, but I do like how it's lined up. You can easily get larger USB sticks into this, which can be a problem for some USB hubs. This does have 3 USB charging ports that have a 2.4 maximum output, and these can also charge at 1 amp, and the throughput is USB 3, but don't expect to get USB 3 when you have all 7 ports filled. That, you're going through one USB 3 into the computer. And we have a power button along with a DC jack. The power supply, as you can see, is a 12 volt 4 amp, which is really nice. And it does come with a 1 meter long USB 3 A to A plug. That way you can connect it to your PC, and it doesn't have a lot of cord clutter right on your desk. So that is quite nice. I haven't had any major issues with this. Occasionally Windows will not like it, but that's Windows. It's typical. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and hit that like button. Thank you. Bye-bye.